I want to teach you the most deceptive card trick in the world. This trick is not only really visual, but it's also very easy to do, which is why it's become one of my favourite effects to perform. So sit back and enjoy the performance of this trick. But be warned, for you need to watch me carefully, or this trick will fool you. The magician displays 8 cards. He cleanly counts them out in front of the spectator and says that he's going to show them something impossible. He says that one of these cards has a different colour back from the rest, and he's so certain that he can influence the spectator to choose the card with a different colour back that he's willing to give the spectator $10,000 if he gets it wrong and isn't able to influence him. The spectator is intrigued. The magician collects the cards and spreads them out, instructing the spectator to point to any card that they like. The spectator thinks, points to the ace, and then suddenly changes his mind and points to the 3. The 3 is then placed onto the table. The spectator looks to see if any funny moves go on, but they see nothing. The magician then shows that every card in his hand has a blue back. However, despite the spectator freely choosing any card, they just so happen to choose the only card with a red back. The magician keeps his money as he was able to influence the spectator to choose the only red card. Hey, what's up everyone, Oscar Owen here, and very quickly before I teach you how to do this effect, I just wanted to mention that this is one of the many tricks that I teach in my upcoming book, Mind-Blowing Magic Tricks for Everyone. I've already mentioned this book quite a few times on this channel, but essentially it's a book that I've spent 1.5 years writing, and it contains some of the greatest card tricks, coin tricks, and mentalism routines ever created. So if you want to learn more effects like this one, then just check out the first link in the description and have a look at the book. It really helps support the channel if you get it, and also you'll learn what I think are some of the best magic tricks out there. Take different cards, 4 from a red deck and 4 from a blue deck. Spread them out and have them alternate like this. Let the spectator choose a card. Whatever card they choose, put face up on the table. This creates 2 piles, 1 in each hand. Make sure that the pile that was below the spectator's card, in this case the one with the Queen of Spades, goes on top of the other pile. You're now ready to begin. Push across the top card in your free hand. Turn it over as you turn the rest of the deck over. Then slide off the top card from the pile and discard it with the other one. Repeat this move. Push across the top card, rotate the pile and the card, and put both cards face up in the discard pile. This creates the convincing illusion that all the cards in your hand are red, when in reality only half of them are red. Then reveal that they chose the only blue card. Of course, if their selection had been red, then you'd be showing the spectator only blue cards.